Bitcoin saw a massive drop after yesterday the Trump family launched a new meme coin called Melanie, of course the wife of Donald Trump, and this once again, just like the other coins as well, sucked up a lot of liquidity in the market, caused Bitcoin to heavily dump. But right now Bitcoin is rebounding right now here. We're creating a CME gap on the top side. So on today's update video, I'm exactly going to be talking about this. I will talk a little bit about this coin and give my small little opinion about it, and much more will be getting discussed on today's update video. So without any further ado, don't forget to slap that like button back above 1,000 likes will be highly appreciated. And with that being said, let me jump straight away in towards today's update video. So like you can see on this chart right here, Bitcoin started to actually dump just moments before Bitcoin was of course done with creating the CME gap. And due to this fact here, we right now have created a massive CME gap above us, and likely in the coming period we're going to at least come back towards $104,000 to fill up this exact CME gap. So honestly, while Bitcoin is currently trading below it, it is providing a massive opportunity, of course, to anticipate that trade back towards the upside. So yeah, Bitcoin is creating a CME gap with the gap currently sitting above us. So we're expecting that in the coming 24 hours, we're going to at least fill it up here. And sometimes it even takes 48 hours. So don't necessarily quote me on the exact timing. But yesterday, Bitcoin, of course, broke the upper sloping support line. And the main reason just for this here is due to the fact that this new meme coin launched here, which is Melanie. And if you just once again look at CoinGecko, and if you're going to be looking at the top gainers, it's of course official Trump coin, and it's of course Melanie meme coin, and basically all the other coins are losing massive amounts of value because it's sucking up all the liquidity from all these other coins and it's just going in there here. So honestly, it is quite bad for the market, and like Blofin is also saying here, Melanie is crashing the market, and honestly, that is truly what is happening right now here. And once again with this coin as well, guys, I want everyone to be extremely cautious because ultimately there's already $492 million worth of liquidity involved in this project, and ultimately I really do think that this is going to come down quite hard eventually. But for now on, there's still hype, but really, I want everyone to be extremely cautious with this project right now here. So yeah, this is the main reason why Bitcoin is of course coming down right now here. But while we came down, actually, we start to see that Bitcoin was retesting this exact downward sloping resist line and now flipped this exact level into support. So if you did had some orders set up on this downward sloping resist line, you did an amazing job here. And also, guys, before going further in towards the video, if you want me to make a dedicated video to do a deep dive on this project, please let me know in the comment section down below, because then I will definitely upload a video later today with my deeper thoughts. And of course, I'm going to be doing some more research about it, the tokenomics, etc., to exactly see what it's going to be doing next year. So please let me know if you're interested in that here. But anyways, if we're just right now looking at the bigger perspective on Bitcoin, we're right now once again, of course, trading below this very important level. So I would like to see Bitcoin breaking above it. You can see it also over here that previously, right, while we of course here found resistance, here we found support, and now Bitcoin is exactly retesting this level again here. So it would be quite crucial for Bitcoin to be right now breaking above this level. Otherwise, we could be facing a bigger rejection. And like I stated earlier as well here, such meme coins is usually a very bearish signal for the entire market, in my opinion. But however, this is going to be onboarding millions of new users towards the cryptocurrency industry. But of course, they're all going to be buying meme coins. So really, is it going to be making a big difference? I'm not quite sure about that here. So on the daily time frame, we saw that downward sloping resistance line getting created, flipped into support right now here, and Bitcoin is bouncing from it. And yeah, if you're looking at all these other charts here, we can just still see that we're in the middle of this consolidation phase, and ultimately that we're breaking the downward sloping RSI right now here. We're right now seeing this consolidation phase really also at the edge of having a breakout, because yeah, we're right now once again starting to reach the top side of the region. And yes, starting to later today, guys, it is of course the day that Donald Trump will be going into office. Historically, whenever new presidents do take office, the market tends to be performing very strong. So I truly hope this is going to be once again playing out for Bitcoin right now as well here. But of course, there is some things here that Donald Trump has stated that he will be, of course, making a Bitcoin strategic reserve. So hopefully he's going to be doing so, because if he will be doing so, that will be ultimately extremely bullish for the Bitcoin price, of course. And Right now as well, if we're just looking at the last time Joe Biden got, of course, elected, which was in 2021 here, once he went into office, we first saw a slight little dump here before then seeing a new pump towards the upside getting created again. So yeah, that is of course the thing that happened that time around here, but currently it is of course quite different. And with all these meme coins launching, I'm not quite sure how the exact impact is going to be here, but of course he stated multiple times that he will be signing on day one executive offers and also things with crypto, with the strategic reserve for the US Treasury. So yeah, I'm very curious on how this is going to be playing out and what kind of effect this will be having today on the Bitcoin price action. And I really do think if he's going to be doing so, it will be most likely have a huge effect on the Solana price especially. So that is of course important, and yeah, due to that we could be seeing some larger inflows coming in on the Bitcoin ETF as well here. So I'm going to be putting my close attention towards this chart as well. But anyways, right now it does make a lot of sense that Bitcoin is going to be seeing that next push higher. I mean, all the data is right now suggesting and pointing out that the Bitcoin bull market is not over yet here. And guys, if you right now want to be trading Bitcoin or benefit from any volatility on these meme coins or whatsoever, don't forget to check out Blofin in the link description of today's video. Because if you right now sign up an account using Blofin below, guys, you can get an insane $100,000 deposit bonus. And yeah, honestly, I would definitely make sure to grab this because this deposit bonus is just absolutely insane here. Of course, make sure to check it out if it's available in your region. But if it is, guys, you can trade many altcoins and meme coins with leverage, just like Trump and Melanie. So yeah. And don't forget to check it out in the link description of today's video. Further on, we can currently see that addresses with more than 100 Bitcoins are absolutely skyrocketing right now. And the Bitcoin dominance is still holding quite steady. And that is, of course, due to the fact that, yeah, we can see that some altcoins are gaining massive territory, like Fartcoin, Melanie, and official Trump coin, of course. But that is due to the fact that they're sucking different coins' liquidity. So that is, of course, quite bearish. But ultimately, it's going to be attracting more money and more liquidity from retail investors. And that is really going to kickstart that real altcoin season. And yeah, just like I stated, the timing does really make a lot of sense here. Because usually about 217 days after the Bitcoin halving is where we see the massive altcoin season getting started. And right now we can see the USDT dominance is right now breaking also that threshold of 4% here. And the last time we did so, we start to see that massive altcoin season also take place here. So ultimately, this is not necessarily a time where you should be panicking or necessarily where you should be fading the market, because usually after the inauguration, after the new president goes into office, is where the big altcoin season happens. And that is literally about to be happening today here. So really, this is a time where you want to be preparing. And just like you can see over here, first 210 days last time around, we had that pre-rally, that pre-halving rally, and now what we're seeing is, of course, the real rally is going to get started. And this exactly played out also in the previous cycle. And to be honest, I'm very excited for what is about to come next year, because I do really believe altcoins could be still making very big steps in this market right here. So yeah, this was it for me in today's update video, guys. Please let me know in the comment section down below if I should make a dedicated video about Melanie. I think I will be doing so because I really want to educate everyone about it, because yeah, honestly, the opportunities are big here. I get a lot of questions coming in as well. So I'm going to be doing a deep dive explaining everything what's going on over there here. But anyways, thank you so much for watching towards an amazing new update video. And see you guys back again tomorrow on another update video. Peace out. Goodbye.